Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, northeastern Fayette County in West Tennessee, northwestern Hardeman County in West Tennessee, southeastern Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, southern Haywood County in West Tennessee, southwestern Madison County in West Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Covington, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asbury, Yum Yum, Stanton, Hickory Point, Covington, Taylor Chapel, Market, Shep, Whiteville, Turnpike, Moy Corner, Rialto, Fayette Corners, Laconia, Hillville, Cedar Chapel, Cotton Lake, Vildo, Orissa, and Hatchie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Madison, and Tipton.